I am here to introduce Airborne, an advanced online platform where people can learn all about drones. Here it not only provides how the drone works and how to use them, as well as inspire exploration and mastery in the dynamic field of drone technologies. Our platform offers top quality education aimed to expertise individual to becoming proficient in drone technology. Now we can enter into Airborne platform. This is the home page before logging in. We have divided the courses into three categories. The most enrolled courses are seen in the popular courses. All the available courses are seen here. Clicking on Visit Store will lead you to the Axldrone store page. The courses you are enrolled in can be found under My Courses, while the complete list of available courses can be found under All Courses. Courses can be enrolled in using three methods. 1. By QR payment method. 2. By coupon method. 3. Through an admin account. Now we can select a course. After completing the course which selected, students are required to take an assessment. If a student scores 60% or higher on the assessment, they will receive a verified certificate. Join Airborne to embark on your journey towards mastering drone technology. Register now and discover the limitless potential of drones with Airborne. Thank you.